The internet is in massive danger because of this lawsuit.
Yeah, Lewis is right. Politicians are making it harder to use free resources. Save the internet archive, F the system.
Is JavaScript on its way out?
No, JavaScript is not on its way out. Too many teams, too many companies are using it, but it's not a one-fit-all solution for every project.
Oh! What? Holding the power button down won't break anything?
Actually, it could.
This can hurt your PC, so only do this when you have no other option, but I do this all the time.
So the Vivo X90 Pro Plus is already a ridiculous phone.
The feature you're talking about, Touch ID on the screen.
I just want us to all be aware of this really cool Google Assistant feature because it's kind of sick.
The feature he's talking about is you can sing or hum a song and Google will figure it out on their own. It's about time.
Did you teach yourself to code?
He's a self-taught developer. Anyone can become a developer. Go check out Harvard computer science courses. They're completely free.
You're gonna want to be careful buying PC parts on Amazon.
This guy got scammed on Amazon and Amazon didn't help until it became a PR event. So be careful who you buy from and where you buy from.
Oh, AI is going to eliminate every job.
AI is being compared to being the new tractor of the world. So I would say get on the AI train.